Imagine a place where tradition meets technology. In the heart of an African village, the air is filled with the sounds of progress. Here, amidst the rich culture and vibrant community life, something extraordinary is happening. Villagers, young and old, are embracing the digital age. Smartphones and laptops have become common sights, connecting them to a world of endless possibilities. From farmers checking weather forecasts to students accessing online education, technology is empowering lives in ways once unimaginable. This digital revolution is not just about gadgets, it's about creating opportunities, bridging gaps, and fostering growth. As we journey through this village, we'll discover how the internet is transforming dreams into reality, one click at a time. Welcome to the future of connectivity, where every keystroke brings us closer to a brighter tomorrow. In the digital age, stories of transformation are not just tales, they are real journeys of individuals taking charge of their future. Meet Sarah, a mother of two, who never thought she could run a business. With a smartphone and an internet connection, she set up her first online store. Today, she's earning enough to support her family and even save for her children's education. Then there's Michael, a former factory worker who lost his job. He took a leap of faith, enrolled in an online course, and learned the skills needed to start his own e-commerce business. Now, he not only makes a comfortable living, but also mentors others in his community to follow his path. These are not isolated stories. Across the globe, countless individuals are leveraging the power of the internet to create a better life for themselves. They're learning new skills, setting up their first online ventures, and reaping the rewards of their hard work. These success stories are a testament to what is possible when opportunity meets determination. They remind us that with the right tools and guidance, anyone can turn their dreams into reality. So, as we move forward, let's draw inspiration from these pioneers and take the first step towards our own digital success. Join now and start your journey to financial freedom. Course benefits, step-by-step guidance, easy-to-follow lessons, and real-life success examples.